Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade gold in Vantage. Right now we are here on the home screen, and first of all we click on accounts and we select right here or demo account and then click on trade, and then right now we can start searching for gold. Right now we want to search for gold to US dollar, and it's automatically opened right there on this chart. So keep in mind that the market right now is closed, because right now it's Saturday and the market, let's see, is closed at January the 3rd. So we can't open a position right now, but once the market is open, you can click here on buy or sell, fill in the amount of gold that you want to buy. So let's say 5K. You can select here a take profit or stop loss if you want to, then just fill in the amount of price that he needs to hit. And then after that, you click right here on buy and then confirm it. And then you can buy gold on the market. So this is how you can buy gold on Vantage. Hopefully this is the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.